OK, sensational seafood is, of course, one of the most popular parts of Christmas, and these easy recipes are perfect, fresh, fun and a festive spread as well.
We're joined by Coles ambassador Michael Weldon for Cooking with Coles. Good morning to you.
Morning, Michael.
Morning, guys.
You've got a huge spread for us today. Let's start with the prawns. How do we peel them? That's a big question.
It's probably the hard job on Christmas Day. It's a job you don't want, but
It
I
is the
love
hard
it.
job.
I love it because you can go one for everyone, one for you, and you can sort of start snacking your prawns early. So super simple. Got these beautiful black tiger prawns here. Peel the head off. Just
Then the sides.
Head, legs.
head, legs. I like to leave the tail piece on so you got something to hold on to.
Yeah.
And then just grab the top, pinch, and
You
just
have to
pull
do
back.
that. See, some people
it's
don't
never
do
fun.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's uncouth.
No, but if you pinch
agree.
it and pull, you get a nice little clean prawn, no graininess. Those beautiful black tiger prawns.
That's good.
And the guys at Tassal have got a beautiful product for us this year. It's prawns in a packet ready to go. So when there's a big lineup at your deli at Coles, you can skip that, grab a box of prawns,
Amazing.
make Christmas quick and easy. And you can see they're beautiful and bright red, super plump and juicy, which is what we're looking for in a prawn. Great look at cocktail sauce. Should we make one?
Can I ask you about the sauce?
Yeah,
'Cause
absolutely.
you've got a little bit of a twist.
A little
on
twist.
the
I've got a
sauce.
couple of little extras that I like to add to make it a bit festive. So, first, a little bit of brandy. Just a little dash of brandy.
Stop it.
Just that Christmas cheer, a bit of
I
warmth.
mean, don't stop it.
No, yeah,
It's
a bit more
very
brandy than
unique.
that.
No,
yeah.
I mean,
Love that.
So just a little bit. Now some lemon or some orange.
Yeah.
Whatever citrus you've got, and then ketchup. So just a squeeze of ketchup.
Yeah, my mother-in-law makes one similar to this. No brandy.
Yeah, the brandy. I like the brandy edition.
Brandy lifts it.
And then a bit of Tabasco.
Yeah, Tabasco. That's my favourite hot sauce. But whatever your favourite hot sauce is,
I'm going to taste it while you're
yeah,
making
do.
it. Yeah, I mean,
and you
that
get
would
those
be rude
beautiful,
not to
plump,
do.
sweet
sample.
prawns.
Yeah.
I mean, prawns are the perfect thing for summertime when you want a nice, easy, quick starter.
That brandy.
Oh.
I would never have guessed it, but that's delicious.
Yeah.
What about the smoked salmon bellinis, Michael?
So-
Can I ask you about those?
Smoked salmon Bellini. So we've got these beautiful smoked salmon from Tassal, Tasmanian salmon, absolutely delicious. Super silky and smooth, nice and fatty. Perfect starter. Again, you can make it ahead. I love making stuff ahead at a Christmas starter. So you've got lots of quick and easy stuff. So it's pretty simple. You've got this beautiful smoked salmon, a nice little bit of our creme fraiche on top. So creme fraiche, a bit of lemon zest, some dill and some chives, pinch of salt, and then just grab a nice sheet of this beautiful salmon. You can see that lovely rich fat that's through there.
Nice.
Just fold it up
That
on
looks
top.
fancy. That looks fancy.
Looks very fancy.
It looks fancy, but it's really easy. Make your
Easy.
pancakes at a time, and then
Dill on top.
And
dill on
just
top to
before
finish
we
it.
go, I thought it was tassel. You said tassel.
Tassal, yeah.
Wow.
So it's Tassal.
Now I feel fancy.
Tasmanian
Yeah,
salmon.
definitely.
So Tasmanian salmon.
No, I get
Tassal.
it. I
Yeah.
feels like such an idiot too, but thank you for telling
Over
me.
be at your Christmas, Michael. Well done. You can
you,
find
guys.
the full recipe on the Cooking with Coles section of the Sunrise website.